This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the basics ready: a verified Google account and a YouTube channel. First, sign into YouTube Studio and go straight to monetization. Click Start to begin the AdSense link. You do this because AdSense is the payments engine for ads revenue. Once prompted, choose an existing AdSense account or create a new one. Make sure the email matches your primary Google login. This immediate linking keeps your earnings and tax info together. So complete this now before moving on. Next, create the AdSense account in the flow by filling payee name and address. Accuracy matters because payments depend on it. Choose your payment currency and complete tax forms as prompted, select the appropriate form type, and answer the residency questions honestly. Upload a government ID if requested, then add your preferred payment method and bank details. Once complete, AdSense often verifies identity and bank routing. Follow those prompts so your earnings can flow without delays. Make sure to save confirmation emails. Finally, finalize by checking monetization status in YouTube Studio. Enable ad types you want and confirm channel meets policy requirements. If approval is pending, monitor email for AdSense verification steps and PIN mailer. Enter the PIN when it arrives. If things go wrong, check for name or country mismatches and incomplete tax forms first. Those are the usual blockers. If suspended or denied, open the AdSense support console. Submit corrected documents and appeal with concise evidence so you resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.